Okay, YouTube, let's get the June 2022 predictions on the record ahead of time. Let's go over the document here I've created this morning in my session, remote viewing session. The session was at 12:05 p.m. on May 31st, 2022. And the topic is what will be the major headlines for June. Now, normally I need to be a little more specific. June 2022 would have been better. You really have to be specific when you ask questions like this to the universe. Anyway, the first ideogram here, first thing I thought of, it came to mind was a roller coaster, and then immediately switched to, I think it was more about movement than anything, because the next scene that I saw was a large waterfall. It looked like something like you would think of at the Niagara Falls kind of a thing. And then the scene kind of switched to being more of a watching a giant wave as it starts to collapse, starts to pour over on top of itself, like a crested wave. Then I looked again and I saw that flying fortress plane, like a B-17 maybe. It's like from the olden days, I think. Stratofortress maybe, or Stratolaunch. I can't remember what it was, but it should be making the news in June. And this little guy here, I drew that while I was thinking about this plane here. So is this a bombing run with an old plane, or is it just the fact that the Stratofortress is a bomber? I don't know. Could be symbolic, could be kinetic. I don't know what's going on here. Let's zoom in here a little bit and read this a little bit better. Next scene, I saw crowds of people in a city square of some sort. Lots of cement around them. So that told me it was kind of a city. And the buildings around them were arranged in a city square kind of way, around the outsides of a square. They were dark-headed people. They were it looked like they were trying to get into a building that I was in, so I was looking out at them. Were they rioting? Were they protesting? I'm not sure, but after the dream was, or as the dream was starting to end, I saw this statue. Could have been a man. Maybe he was on a horse. I don't know. Almost like he was gesturing to the sky, I guess. So that may also be related there in whatever city that's going to be in. Probably not America. Probably not. And then I looked and I saw a mechanical heart. There's this attachment to it that forcefully makes the heart beat. I guess an artificial heart. Some sort of stimulation device over the heart. And then I looked again and I saw this angry female. She was wearing summer clothes, like a dark kind of shorts. She had a light colored blouse on. It may or may not have been flowery. She was angry. She was slender. She was hurt. Can't read my own writing here. Harm, hurt, angry, slender, summer clothes, city protest. I think that's city. She's wearing these glasses. I don't think they were shades like this, not dark. I think they were clear. So I just want to clarify that. And I looked again and I saw another boat or yacht of some sort, private boat, was sinking. The front end of it was going under the water. I've had those before that have not turned out, but I saw it again, so I wrote it down. So anyway, that's that, and these are the June headlines for 2022. and we will make a follow-up video at the end of June to see how much I got right. All right? All right, so I will see you next time. No, actually, and one more thing I want to point out is that if this remote viewing is ever going to pay off, I'm going to have information that can lead to something positive. So this is my attempt at guessing the Texas Lotto numbers for June 1st, which is tonight sometime. I don't know what time they come out, but it should be any moment now. And these are the numbers that I've chosen here. That's 36, 14, 16, 52, 8, and 4. Sliding off the screen there a little bit. So yeah, so I'll make a video at the end of the month and we'll see how close we got. See you next time.